Welcome back, ZEBEC Network people. Today we're gonna talk ZEBEC. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We need to keep you posted. Someone need to keep you posted about the upcoming risks and of ZEBEC Network. What's going on in the chart? Someone need to keep you posted, guys. Make sure to smash the like. Your dear CM, your dear friend, will warn you. Unlike your other Moon Boys clowns you're following, which predicting insane valuation, we will warn you of upcoming dangers when we see that. So make sure to smash the like, subscribe, cook the bell, and share it on your ex. Look, this is ZEBEC Network. All right, you had this triangle. Okay, you had this triangle. Look at this triangle. Okay, failed to break, failed to break out, failed, fail again, fail again. That was the Kraken listing. The lower high here, I think it was the Kraken listing. Yes, I think it was the Kraken listing. That was the lower high here. Now, okay, the Moon Boys told you, oh, it's going to be listed on Kraken and it will go to the moon. Oh, and what happened? The other way around. Actually got smashed down. Now, what's happening now is concerning. This is concerning. It broke below the upward trend. Okay, obviously it can bounce. It can bounce. Actually, it can bounce from this level. Can easily bounce from this level. This is like the level of the 200-day MA. It should bounce from here. But if it start losing the 200-day MA at 35-ish, start closing below and cannot reclaim it, look down below, sir. Look down below. Look down below, my friend, because that's opened the gate for a bigger correction of ZBCN. Okay, remember, Bitcoin running the show. If Bitcoin pull back, most altcoins pulling back with it. You got to keep an eye on Mr. Bitcoin. You don't want to be naive. No, no, no. That's why we never hodl. That's why we swing trade. Bought the breakout here, sold it all the way up here. Bought the breakout here, cash out on the way up. Bought some here, got stopped out. Bought some here, got stopped out, took some profit. Now, breaks the 200, we short it. We're going to short it. Make sure to join VIP if you want to get all our trade alerts. We're printing now, while all the other clowns are just losing money. They're just losing and losing and losing and losing and losing and losing. Hodlers not making anything. Jack shit. They're losing everything. Now, let's look on ZEBEC momentum. Okay, we need to keep you posted on the weekly close. We close the weekly candle. Okay, so that's a weekly candle. Look at it. This is not looking good, man. Not looking good. Yes, you have a big bottoming tail, whatever you want to call it, but that's a flash crash. Okay, now you have this. It's actually a big hanging man candle. It's a big hanging man candle. As long as price is going down. If price is going up, it could be a hammer. Price is not going up. You can see it actually going down slowly. And look at the momentum. We don't have a cross up on the weekly. That's not good. Okay, as long as you don't have a cross on the weekly, significant crossing up, trending market, you're not going to get a blow off. You're not going to get a melt up. You're not going to get a 10 cent ZEBEC. You're not even going to get a 1 cent ZEBEC. 1 cent? Yeah. You're not going to get a 1 cent ZEBEC without the stochastic cross, okay? Without that, you have no momentum. It is cooked, okay? 3-day cross down. 2-day cross down. Daily down. 10-day down. Weekly down. 2-week down. Not good, my friends. This is not looking good for ZEBEC. Again, bulls can still save the day. We're not calling for a doom day, okay? Nothing like that. We're just trading the market. Just trading it. You know, if the bulls can push it higher and break above that level, you got yourself a shot of a ZEBEC bull run. We're going to long it. We're going to go balls it. At the moment, it cannot break above the 50-day. You can see that's the red line. And it's below the 100-day, the pink line, red line. And if it loses the 200-day, that's going to be a bearish alignment of the moving average. That's not good. That's not good, my friend. You know me. We've been watching charts for 8 years, man, straight. You know, when we tell you what's good and what's not good, okay? If it breaks below the 200, not good, okay? Guys, thank you for watching. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Do yourself a favor. Stop holding ZEBEC on iBit or Upbit or all the other rubbish. Do yourself a favor, get yourself Bitunix account. You can, if you're a hodler, you can hodl on Bitunix. The cheapest exchange fees ever. Absolutely ridiculous. You get even deposit bonus. Get yourself in no VPN, no KYC. They don't care where you're from. La la la. No, you want to trade easily. You can also short, long, all crypto out there. You have tutorials on the description below. The best exchange I ever traded in my life. Amazing exchange. Get yourself an account now, as long as they're doing this campaign with the link below. Also, let me show you a few trades we took. Man, October been amazing for us. We've been printing bling bling. Show you a few trades, man. We had let me show you this one. October 13. Buy now. Price was 82. I'll show you this very, very quick. Just have a look, man, while you holding rubbish, that's not doing anything for you. Look at H. That was our entry. October 13, 82. Bam. 150% from our entry. Bam. More than a double in a day. Show you another example, man. Your coins are doing nothing. Look at this baby. Soon. Buy now. October 1st. Price was 40 cents. Look at soon. Okay? Look at soon, sir. Look at soon. Bam. 40 cents. That was our entry. October 1st. What you've been doing? Nothing. All the way up. Actually, we traded all the way here. 140%. Then we bought a little bit here. Made some nice gains there. Man, 140% as well. This took more than a day, but still, a couple of days. Unbelievable trade. Another trade we had is Jelly Jelly. Jelly Jelly, October 3rd. Another amazing double. Buy the break above 573. Look at Jelly Jelly. That was the entry. 573. Bam. Marked it for you. Double. More than a double. Man, stop wasting time. Stop watching all the clowns on X, all the baby boys with the pimples, which will get you completely wrecked. Start following the professionals. We are a group of professional traders with a background, of 8 years of resume, trading only crypto, okay? Only crypto, 24/7, okay? We swing trade, we long, we short, sometimes we hold for a couple of weeks, sometimes we hold for a couple of months. At the moment, the market might be peaking or might be rolling over. You need to change your strategy. You cannot be a hodler here. You're going to be a hodler in a market top. A very bad stuff are going to happen to you. Okay? You want to trade them. Trade them. These cryptos are toxic. You don't want to hold them because once Bitcoin trigger a bear market, it is over, my friend. Really, this cycle is hard. This cycle is not for hodlers. The days of hodling coins and getting filthy ROI without doing nothing are over, sir. Everybody know about hodling. That's why everybody gonna get wrecked. It is what it is. It is cooked. Hodl is a scam. Will take you all your money. Stop hodling. Hodling, if you hold now into 2026, you will lose everything you have. Absolutely everything. Instead, join our VIP. We're going to show you how to buy breakouts, how to trade the leading coins, the market leaders. Crypto is not done, obviously. You're going to have periods of altcoins pumping. Heck, even now, today, we had amazing pump of like 40% of an altcoin we bought yesterday. Okay, you got to know what you're doing. Okay, this is not a hodler market. This is a trader's market. We will show you how to trade breakouts, how to go short, how to short coins, because shorting is the only way to print ROI bling bling once Bitcoin will trigger a bear market. And the moment is coming. Bitcoin is about to trigger a bear market in the next couple of weeks or months for sure, man. The clock is ticking. The 4-year cycle is over. Is over. Okay, look on the charts. The charts are saying 4-year cycle is done. Cooked, man. Wake up. Stop holding cooked coins. You will get completely cooked. Join our VIP. Check it out for yourself. Try 1 month. You don't like it, you can always cancel. We recommend join for 4 months. Test it out. Go over the courses, market updates, trade alerts. You're going to become a pro. It will change your life completely. You're going to become a trader and investor for life. Not for 1 day, not for a crypto cycle. You could trade stocks, commodities, everything with our knowledge, with our skill set. Okay, we'll change your life. Also, check out our webinar, upcoming webinar next Wednesday is gonna happen. Next Wednesday, the best webinar ever, how to trade the crypto, the last quarter of the cycle, whether it's short or long, anything you need to know. And yeah, by the way, we also have lifetime membership. If you want to pay crypto one time and get our trade alerts for life, trade alerts and market updates for life, drop me an email. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.